I think I'm going to lose my voice in like few minutes. I don't know, my throat is hurting right now, but I will try to stream as much as I can. I think this Nvidia earning can be pricing out as well. So I think let's set an alert around like 83,400. Let's see how the price action develop once we get to like 83,300. I think we are nuking right now as soon as I started the stream. Fuck my life. I was interested in this Morpho, but considering the market condition right now, I'm not posting any trade regarding Morpho. But I think today is the day when we gonna reach out the resolution point. Also, I tried to warn people in my corner that we have the strong high printed out around like 89,400, and I think this 18 since price was trying to go up and it was unable to take out this strong high. That was the moment where I knew that we are cooked, and this short-lived bounce was just the short covering. So people were closing their short position, and price was pumping. So this pump that you see was the short covering. So every time, just remember that whenever we have the short covering bounce and you have the strong high, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Somebody is calling me. I need to answer this phone. Yeah, I'm back. Apologies. Can you guys hear me? Maybe one of your friend is calling you, whom you suggested to buy Tao. Now he's crying. Muzza, it's going underwater. No, actually, I don't think so. I personally bought Tao around, I think 320 something, 325, and then it went to like $500. Most of my friends are already out and they took their profit. So yeah, coming back to BTC. So what I was trying to tell you, that whenever we have the short covering bounce that you see on my chart, and when we have strong high, and when you see that price is unable to take out the strong high, we always reject. Just like you see price is rejecting from the supply zone where we have the strong high. So I'm going to use this example as well on my educational section when I'm going to make the education post. So far, I have the Tau long example, eigen example, and now I'm going to use this BTC short setup example for my education stream. So just wanted to explain this thing. Don't wanna go to the cornelized chart to just explain everything. But here, when we have the short covering bounce and you have the strong high, this usually means that price is eventually gonna nuke. So this is what I wanted to discuss. I and the next chart I have is ETH. Let's discuss ETH. Uh, ARKM chart. Moham, I think Eli posted this chart in his corner. You need to follow his setup for ARKM. I have the same idea as him. Right now, ETH is at the best support. So I don't. I think if you are not in position on ETH, I think it's a very good time to buy ETH. Why? Because you can see it's making it's trying to make bullish divergence on RSI, as you can see. And also we have 4 hour order block here from like 2300 till like 2263 in my opinion. And also if you run the fibs on ETH, actually you will see that the 0.75, which is the strat of Eli, it belongs to like 22. It is falling inside the order block on 4 hour as well. And also we have the 4 hour bullish divergence as well. So I think right now your focus should be on going and building the spot positions. I think anything you buy here gonna be a great gonna be end up with a great profit. Just my opinion. You should just start your spot position from here. This is what I think. But let's see how Nvidia earning comes and what it brings for us in the coming hours. So yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss for ETH, as it said the 4 hour support. BTC, this 83 400 where we have alert set, which is the midpoint of the bullish FEG. I think this is gonna carry us. Morpho, no, I don't think so. Yeah, this chart layer, I think layer is very strong compared to the rest of the alts right now. HBJ called along. I had the eye on this coin as well, but HBJ called first, so I took his setup. I think this green line is gonna be the key for this setup. I think even just like I told you about ALCH inside my corner, that the price might take out this POC. I think layer can take out this POC around like 82 cents as well. So if you are not position yourself, make sure you follow the HBJ setup, because I also like the same setup as HBJ is eyeing. Why are we nuking right now? Mm, I think bullish divergence started forming across the board. Let's see where Tau is right now. Tau is at the nice place. We have the strong lows around like 346. I wanna go long, to be honest, solely based on this strong lows. Little bit conflicted here. Let's see if we can find if we can find any bounce from this support around like 83 500. This is the last support I can think of right now. If this support is not gonna hold, ETH might take out these POCs finally. Announcement of EU tariff was announced by Trump not too long ago. Market saying fuck your analysis. Oh, I don't think so. Everything I told you is coming true about the strong high. But yeah, let's see if we hold this 83 300, and then you can comment more in the chat section. Stocks don't like the tariff news. Yeah, of course. Let's get to CME gap so we can resume bull market. What do you think about Sol right now? Let's see Sol chart. This month of Feb, I think, was the same as the month of May last year. ETH is down like literally 33% in a single, yeah, almost like single month. Wow, we are absolutely going for a casket. BTC reach my support. Let's see. Hmm, I am. I think I just wanna go long on Tau right now. If you are not buying, I think it's a good position that you can buy right now. Oh, you were telling me where is this guy? Meower or whatever market saying fuck your analysis. But you can see that we are actually bouncing from the level I mentioned. So who is winning right now? Let's see if we really hold this level because this level is the key. I posted a Tau long setup. Hopefully you caught with me. I'm gonna wait until Trump has finished fucking over a different continent every week before trading aggressively. I'm scooping up Tau with you. All thought, what is the next DCA zone? Personally, I think this strong lows. We have nuked so much, but you can see Tau is not nuking too much since we have strong lows of like 346.5. I think this is the key really for for today. If Tau lose 346, I will close it manually anyways before the stop loss. So hence why I took the risk. So let's see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. We will find out very soon. But for now, I think this green line, which is the 83.4, I think this is the key for us to hold. If we lose this green zone around like 83.5, I think we are gonna go down and take out those POCs. TR really strong. Yeah, yeah, yeah. TR is very strong. What do you think? Yeah, let's see Soul chart. Sorry. So for Soul, Soul, I think it's gonna hold like 130, 130 area. I don't think so. We will lose 130 for now. But this for me, the key level for Soul is around like 127, as you can see on my chart. If we really lose 127, that will be the problem in the short term. But if we just hold here, it will be fine. We can take out 170 again, maybe when we get a rebound. But if we lose this blue line, I think then STX limit is gonna get filled very fast because I don't have anything below this blue line. So 127 is the key for Sol, and I think going long on Sol here makes sense. And the invalidation is like literally what, like 4.5%. If you see Sol losing this blue line, just get out very quickly since I think market will nuke once we lose this blue level. So make sure just my TA. Let's see. Um when you say lose the line, is that on 4 hour mark or just in general if it dips below that? Like I told you about the soul that we were talking about. So I'm on 1 hour time frame. So any 1 hour close below 127, and the idea for the upside is gonna get invalidated, and then we will have a cascade liquidation. But I think if you are not longing here right now, I think you're doing something wrong. I would just recommend you to take some long position. As far as this green line gonna hold, I think we can see some kind of upside. But did you guys liked how I don't want to jinx anything, but what we just discussed on our stream on live, I'm just happy that this green line literally holded the BTC, because if it didn't, we would have taken out this POC around like 79.8 very, very fast. I just don't want to see price taking out this green line again, because if price take out this green line again, I think this would be a trigger for me to take out this POC. But as for now, until and unless price is above this green line, I think we are just fine and nothing to worry. Oh, Mia, or whatever the fuck your name is, I don't know how to pronounce. I was just kidding with you. Don't worry. What's your level for BTC from here? I think if this green level holds, which is like 83.4, I think we retest 87.4 from here. Hence why I am long on Tau, because I think this coin is just not going down as compared to other shit coins in the market. Uh, do you guys have any question for me? Anything you wanna ask? Oh, FWOG is strong as well. Let's see what strong coins are right now. I caught 83.5. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, proud of you. Proud of you for executing um and limit BTC 79,000 JDrip star. Oh fuck. Nice. Hype is strong. Can you check hype? Yeah, I can check hype. Just give me a minute. So right now on 30-minute time frame, we have, let me refresh. Tia is so fucking strong. Why the fuck I am not longing Tia? Living off the grid, very nice. Let's look at Tia and give Tia a try as well. Oh yeah, Tia is strong. Tia needs to reclaim this POC 3.98, and it can actually go up, in my opinion, like 11% from here. Um, I wish I knew about. I saw Tia before Tau. I would have longed Tia since I like Tia more. If it can just reclaim this POC, but let's see. BTC Please don't test this green line again. Hype is strong. Let's see hype. If BTC bounce again from 83.5, would you go long there? No, I just don't want price to go to green line again. Because if you long BTC, I think you should move your stops to break even. If price take out these lows, I think it can take out these POC as well. So just be mindful. I think if we were forming the lows, I think this should be it. But if we revisit again, I think there could be chance that we take out these POC as well. TI is so much strong. Let's see if it can reclaim this POC and we can long TIA. Can you check hype? I'm down like 70% my future account. What's the best way to recover? How are you like 70% down on your portfolio? First, you need to identify like how much you are risking in each play, um, and um, and how long you are, how many corner modes you are following, and how long you are following them. It depends on many questions. First, you need to fix your mistakes, because if you are down like 70% in your future account, then there might be a possibility where you can go down more as well. So you need to rectify your mistakes. And recovering 70% on your future account takes like some weeks, some months. It's not gonna be a swift recovery, but it's very much possible. You just need to do a 200% to just recover your 70%. So it's 200% is not just it's gonna take time, but it's doable. I think 77K is on the table. There are no support before. Uh, for BTC, 79, I think 80,000 is gonna hold. I think that's what I can think of for BTC. Let's see. Let's see. Hype. The guy who asked me for hype. Yeah, it looks like pretty much strong. In the last stream we discussed like if price hold this green box. If I go on a full high time frame, then you will be able to see that we have bounced couple of time from this green zone, and then we have this inefficiency to fill. I think if we lose this green box, which is 18.8, I think if we lose 18.8 on a 4 hour time frame, I think it's gonna fill my limit order around like 16.2, which is what I'm waiting for currently. Uh-huh. Doesn't look good. Market doesn't look good. Uh-huh. When is Nvidia earning report releasing? I think it's releasing right after the stocks close. So you need to pay attention when stocks close. Let's see what stocks are doing actually. Thank God dominance is not going up, else ETH would already be at like $2,000. OM, let's see, OM. Yeah, that's true. ABW dominance is not going up, hence why a lot of alts are holding right now. Uh, OM, let's see, OM. OM right now is at the 1 hour order block. I think this is the support. I don't want OM to lose 7.11. I think if we lose 7.11 demand zone from for OM, I think this will be a pain, to be honest. I just don't want OM to lose this order block. It's at a great support and it can take out these POC as long as the 7.1 support is not losing. If 7.1 support lose, then we have pretty much big inefficiency to taken out, to be honest. Um, Shit, man. Every bounce is literally getting sold off. Fuck my life. So for BTC, last time, if you see on the flow, if I full screen, yeah. So if you see this BTC chart, you can see that that yesterday we were around here 85.8 when we had the biggest I think 1000 BTC liquidation we had. Somebody was long 1000 BTC and got liquidated, and then you can see OI start adding up, and then BTC start keeping going up and keep ranging, and then we had the bounce on the Asia session on BTC. Right now, just few minutes ago, another 850 863 or 870 BTC long got liquidated. Hence why you see a big OI wipe out on a BTC chart, and OI is again at the origin point from where OI started keep adding. The one thing that made me that so the one thing that made me think about that this bounce is not so much real is that you can see that the price was going up, right? The price is going up. OI is going up, which is very much healthy. But the one thing that I didn't like was that we literally didn't had any spot buy pressure. You can see how spot CBD line is literally going down, down. I will be much convinced if we start keep adding up the OI after this liquidation event of that guy. OI start keep adding up, and if I see that the CVD spot, which is the blue line, if it start leading, here you can see the blue line is not leading, orange line, which is the future, is leading. So this bounce was literally not too much organic. So for organic bounce, I need CVD spot to lead the rally and OI keep adding up. And then if price goes up after this liquidation, then I would think of that this bounce is literally organic. But I longed Tau because it was holding strong. We don't see. Oh, you guys didn't see? Oh, fuck. So what I was telling you um, was that when I go to the lower time frame, when I literally zoomed out, like I think you guys were not able to see the chart when I zoomed out, but I was telling that when I was zooming out the chart, I saw that the CVD spot was not leading the rally. Hence why I was too much doubtful. Even though, so now what I want to see is blue line lead the rally, OI start keeping up, and then if price goes up and we see the Coinbase premium start going up. Currently we have the Coinbase discount, so if, I just want Coinbase to start bidding again. So for me, if we get the Coinbase premium, and if we get the CVD spot leading, and if we see OI going up after this big liquidation event of that guy, then I think the bounce is too much organic. If not, then I think I will have to wait for more lower to form another opinion regarding the market. So for Tau, just waiting. It all depends on this 1 hour strong lows around like 345. 346. If this holds, well and good. If it doesn't hold, then I'm gonna cut this trade in loss. So let's see. All in all, I want this green line to get protected at all cost. Just don't want BTC to get acceptance below the green line. Also, one of the good example during my stream that I always talk about, that price take out the midpoint of bullish FEG and bounce. So we just saw the live example that how BTC came back to test the midpoint of the bullish imbalance, and then we had a little bit of bounce from here. Now let's see if this 4 hour bullish divergence holds or not. We still have 1 hour to fix everything. um what is CBD? It's not CBD, it's CVD, cumulative volume delta. Soul. What about soul? Crazy how, like, we are, I think now the sell off is getting too much exaggerated, to be honest, like too much exaggerated. On a daily time frame, BTC RSI is like too much exaggerated. ETH RSI is literally too much exaggerated. I think maybe with the Nvidia earning, if the Nvidia earning comes positive and we don't bounce, I'm gonna exit everything on market. I will just press the close button on all the spot and all the leverage longs. I think this Nvidia earning would be the deciding factor for me. Pumped out. Yeah, please, pumped out. Why would be deciding factor? So why I'm saying that it will be a deciding factor for me. Let's say if Nvidia earning comes, right? And let's say let's hypothetically assume that the Nvidia earning is positive, right? So we should pump, and at least if not more, at least pump to take out this wick. Do you see this wick around like $86,000, which was the yesterday low? So I want this close above this yesterday wick if the Nvidia earning is positive. Now assume that the Nvidia earning is positive, but we are still closing at this level around like $84,000. So when we had the positive Nvidia earning and price is still around like $84,000 or even below, then this will be the trigger for me to get out of the market, because then in this scenario I will just make an opinion that price will take out this daily demand zone around like 69,500. I will just make up my mind and I will start focusing on shorting. And now assume that the Nvidia earning is so much negative, right? And we are holding above this wick, and we are not losing this green line, which will be a positive thing for me. So let's see, like there are like various scenarios that I'm thinking right now. All depends on how this 4 hour bullish divergence on BTC gonna play out. Um, Last year Nvidia was pumping, was crypto was choppy. Tau $40. What $40? Yeah, next cycle it will be $40. That's true. I think so as well. There must be some relief to keep the people interested, so I think it will pump surely. It's more of a psychological market right now than a fundamental or TA based. I don't. I have. I like what you. I so what you just wrote. I have never thought about it in this way, to be honest. I just watch chart and my levels. Uh, Please give us the pounds. 255. I think 2.5 billion is what you want to write, right? Liquidated from crypto market. Oh, 255 million liquidated from the crypto market in the last hour. Wow, that's wild. So, and also for ETH, this daily close, I want this daily close above this green line, which is 2340. I think it is very important for ETH to close above 2340, to be honest. If we close above 2340, then I will have an opinion that we will take out 2670 at least. If we close below this green line, then be prepared for 2080 scenario. That will be very much likely. So this daily close is gonna be very very crucial. If Tao loses 345, are you closing your spot as well, or just? Oh no no, just the leverage position. I don't touch my spot position because I have a very nice entry. I think doesn't we don't have much to discuss right now. If you have any question, please write in the chat section, or I just go and focus on the setups. Do you guys have any question in the chat section? Very disgusting market right now. Think SPX will break the week low before the New York close. Not good. Let's see the SPX chart. To be honest, when we had for BTC, if you see this BTC chart, moment we bounce, but we had this 15-minute strong lows. Literally, I wanted to short BTC on market for the group. If I did, I would be up like 5% for the group on BTC alone. I wanted to short this with a tight stop loss of 1.7%. But I thought like we are just making a range. And I thought like if we were at the moment right here, we were at the moment where we, if we had any good news at this moment in the peak US hours, any good news would have fucked my short, to be honest, on BTC. I wanted to short, but yeah, that's a bad move. Which is the example that even if, however, or whatever, your TA is too much strong and you know your bias, if you are not executing your trade, it doesn't mean nothing. So yeah, it was too much risky for me to post. Here, this Tau, I know that it's not risky for me since this strong lows at 345 is the key for me to just keep my position open or just get out of my position. So here I have a solid reason to enter or to exit, but here any factor could have played out that time. um Also, Trump's speech today was a surprise for me. Nice. Let's see. uh 83 500 was this guy entry, right, for BTC. I think he's safe, his stops are not triggered yet. If BTC, pumps, your the guy who long the BTC on my stream, on my TA around like 83.5 green line, I'm talking to you. If you find BTC anything around 85.7, you need to take profit, and then take profit around like 87.4. So these are the two TP point I think would be good for your longs on BTC. If BTC pumps and hold and doesn't trigger your stops to break even. Just wanted to tell you so you can execute it nicely. We are getting so much raped that I think I'm tired of getting raped. Native, are you on my stream? Are you on my stream right now? Let me tag Native. What do you think, Native, about the divs? Do you think this 4 hour div is gonna hold, or you think that this div is gonna get invalidated because RSI will go back below 17.7? Watching your stream is getting rave at the same time. He is the only guy. Watch, the combo devs are gonna come there. Oh, nice. Very nice. Nice addition from this guy. This guy is the best dev I have ever seen in my life. Like the best coder. Feel like gangbang, yeah, of course. Feels like gangbang. For ETH, I just pray, or native, yeah, this ETH green line 2340. For me, I think this is a very key level. Like we have the summer range where price went down, reclaim this summer range, and then we retested 2700 for like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We retested and then got rejected. I just want a similar scenario where we just reclaim green line, and then for sure we test this supply zone around like 2750. And this was the thesis as well for positioning myself on spot for ETH. I will take the long in an hour if the diff comes, but invalidation will be difficult, probably below the wick, but also fine if it get. Yeah, that's true. If this bullish divs got invalidated, then I don't think so. Even my green line is gonna hold BTC. I thought we were supposed to like gangbang. I just want a nice pump for one day. I know it's gonna come. when everybody is gonna be dead. I was surprised my stream title today didn't affected the market much. I thought like doing a bearish stream title is gonna pump us, but I was wrong. Anyways, I think we don't have much questions left in the chat section, so I'm gonna wrap up my stream. For BTC, what I discuss is that this green line at like 83.4, which is the midpoint of the bullish FVG on a daily time frame. I think this is very crucial for us to hold. If on 1 hour time frame we lose this green line, it's a no-brainer for me to think that 79.5 not gonna taken out. In case in a in next 45 minutes after the 4 hour close, if the div doesn't get confirmed on a 4 hour time frame, and if it gets invalidated, which means like RSI need to close below 17.7 or something, then it will be more likely that we take out this POC. In any scenario, if we take out this POC around like 79.6, I will not even blink twice to post a long setup on BTC, since it will be a must buy zone for me, must bounce zone for me. 79.7 something. um that's what I think of today. I'm gonna stream tomorrow as well if the market is shit, to give my point of view again. For Soul, I told you, this is a very good point to go long, since 127.3. If we lose, you have a clear invalidation that if we lose 127.3, then you know that we are finally taking out a much lower area that we haven't taken out in months. So yeah, also I told you that we have strong lows on a daily time frame around like 120, which I don't think so we're gonna taken out, or I don't think so price have enough strength to defeat those strong lows. So whenever you go long on Sol, just place your stops around like below this strong lows. That's what I think of. Maybe if you find this range lows around like 127, just go long and place 119. I will set my alarm, because most of the time I don't set alarms, I don't set alerts, but majority of what we discuss on our stream always comes true. So I just want to execute this idea as well. So I'm setting my alert around like 127.2. Let's see if we get this area. I'm gonna place market long on Sol with a tight stop loss of 120. For ETH, already discussed that we need to close above this green line today, and then we make a deviation and we go and up and test 2750. And for Tau, it's around like break even. If you took my idea, if you wanna close, you can close, but I think as long as 145, oh sorry, not 145, sorry, 345, the strong lows are holding on 1 hour time frame, I think price can return back to 381 once again. That's it for me today. Have a good day, good night, and I hope in the coming days. Just want to tell you that where you're looking to take TB1 on Tau. Difficult question. I will just wait for this 4 hour close and then I'll decide. But majorly, I'm looking for 368, which is this POC. So it's gonna give us what, 4% move. So yeah, 368 gonna be my first TP, and then I'll fully exit around like 381. What was that level? 83,300 was the level of my green line. Yeah, 83, 350. Also, I want to state that I just feel like a lot of people are losing so much of money. Earlier, there was a guy, I don't know if he is in my stream right now or not, but he lost like 70% on his future account. Even though I'm trading regularly, so I have a corner, I have to post trades every day to keep my corner running. Like if I'm not gonna post for like if I don't post trades for the next 2 days, my corner engagement is literally going to zero as it is right now. So I am trading, but I am risking like literally 1% or maybe like less than 1%. So I just want to state that since you guys are taking the trades, I would just highly recommend you guys to just not risk too much and just risk like 1% on any corner mode, any corner trade you see in the trade section. Just risk like 1% or even less, because this market doesn't worth risking too much. And also we are in this together. Like I'm also losing. Like my main portfolio is down like 7 to 8% because of my spot holdings, but thanks to Tau, since it's up, so it's rebalancing like 5%, 4.5%, but still it's a very big amount for me to lose. So yeah, we're gonna make it once the market is gonna rebound, and I think we are just in the end of a tunnel. Like if you see the let me share my screen. So yeah, if you see this BTC on a daily time frame, literally the RSI is what, 24, which we haven't seen so far. So we are just at the end of the tunnel. The I don't know. I don't know if we have topped. I don't know if the bear market have started, and nobody knows this if the bear market have started. But one thing I can tell you, that if we rebound from here, surely this 87.3 level. So yeah, let's mark the levels for the reference of my next stream, so we can talk about this thing. So not yellow color. Yeah. So this red area is gonna be the resistance for us. 87.3 is the new resistance for us. Even if we pump from here, 87.3 is gonna cap us, I think. Um, and let's say even if we flip this red line, I think this purple line will be the biggest tough resistance for price to overcome. This is what my opinion is. So I think I just want to like exit the market for a while once we get like 91.8. I think once BTC goes to 91.8, I think I'm going to exit the market for a while for and I will just stay low because I would want to see a reclaim of this purple line. So yeah, this is what my thoughts are, and I've given a different colors to the different line. 87.3 I think would be a mild resistance. It can get broken out, but I think 91.7 will be the toughest one out of all of this. So this is what my current thoughts are. For Soul, I already told you 120, longing 127 with stops 120 makes sense. Tau was at break even, but fucking shit. Um, ETH we talk about. So yeah, gave a recap of pretty much everything. Do you prefer daily FEG over monthly? Yeah, that's true. What's your thoughts on the? But I like weekly and 3 day FEG is what I prefer most. But yeah, daily FEG is nice as well. What are your thoughts on the dump and market condition? Market ate you alive. Market ate you alive. What? What are you talking about? I just got like 6% on ALCH today, and I haven't lost anything. Tau was also at the break even few minutes ago. Even if Tau gets stopped out, I'm gonna close my day break even. Yesterday I got like Yesterday I got like 10% on Kaito with Tariq, and then I got stopped out. So yeah, one stop loss and one good win is the new mm, is what I've been noticing so far. But yeah, market is not eating me alive at all. Yeah, I think it's too much choppy. Hence why I think it's becoming very much difficult to trade. But I think, and also Dr. Zombie, yesterday I told you that market, like, it's a trend that whenever we see stocks close, we see the relief. I think in the yesterday stream, you were the guy who was asking me when the market is gonna pump, and I told you that after the stocks close, we might see the relief, which was the case as well. So yeah, today I'm eyeing for the same thing. Let's see if we see the relief after the stocks close. What do you think about Kaito? Kaito. Um, I had this dotted line around like 1.9 marked from where I wanted to call Kaito, but I think Tariq called it just before me. And he got like 27%, and he's like one of the best. I don't know how Tariq does, but he is the best trader, I would say. In my opinion, if you're looking for the re-entry, this midpoint of this bullish FVG on 1 hour was the entry, and you can see price pumped a little from 2.23 till like now 2.34. For the re-entry, I would say um, just target this little order block from like 1.99 and 1.9. So 1.99 and 1.9 is the area I think would be good for going long on Kaito again. But I don't want to jump in here. That's what my thoughts are. So yeah, just have a good day. Yeah, Tariq is one big positive vibe. Yeah, best trader I have seen. Like, he caught like so much big monster move, which is like crazy and good for us as well. So yeah, have a good day, good night. Sometimes I try to take most of Tariq trades since he's the best trader, but then sometimes I get like my in real life stuff capture me, and then I miss some of the trades. So yeah, just have a good day. And if you're not following Tariq, I think you should do, since he been printing like massive, and he's always been printing from like many years. Just have a good day, good night. If you need anything, just tag me in the chart ideas. Have a good day.